Assalamu alaikum, dear all students. Hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty. On behalf of Milestone College, you all are welcome online science class. Here I am, Kaji Fatima Jahan, lecturer, Department of Biology, Milestone College, with all of you on today's class. Today I will discuss some creative question on chapter 1, that is healthy life, better living. Dear student, most of all, you know the correct answer, but you don't know how to write the answer properly. That's why you don't get full marks. In my today's class, I will give you some tips and tricks to get highest mark in your exam. I hope you will be benefited from today's class. So, dear student, let's start our today's class. Dear students, this is our first creative question. Here, A indicate amlaki and papaya. These are very common fruits in our country and it's very nutritious too, isn't it? B indicate pulse, potato, cumin. You have already know that pulse is protein-rich food. Potato is carbohydrate-rich food and cumin are roughage based. C indicate burger and chips. These are very common junk food. Now I will go to the question. Here A is what is balanced diet? This is our knowledge based question. Dear student, if you write the definition in proper way, then you will get 1 marks. B is why is vitamin B complex essential for the health of the body? This is comprehensive based type of question. If you want to get 2 marks, first of all you have to write the definition. Then you have to go to the explanation. Number C is what kind of diseases occur due to the deficiency of A-based foods explains. Dear student, this is applied based type of question. First of all, you have to write what is in the stem. That is amlaki, papaya. Then you have to get the explanation. If you write the answer in this way, you will get full marks. And D is between B and C based foods, which is healthy? Analyze. This is higher ability type of question. If you want to get full marks, first of all you have to write what is in the stem. Then you have to go to the explanation. If you write in this way, you will get full marks. Right student, let's move to the answer on slide.
Dear students, this is our first creative question. Our first question is, what is balanced diet? This is a knowledge-based question. The answer is, balanced diet is a diet which contains all the 6 elements of food, and eating this food we get the necessary calories for our normal activities. Our second question is, why is vitamin B complex essential for the health of the body? This is a comprehensive based type of question. The answer will be, vitamin B complex or vitamin B are 12 in number. This group of vitamins is called the vitamin B complex. Vitamin B complex is very important for normal health. The presence of vitamin B is essential for the growth of the body, especially for the work of the brain and the nervous system, metabolic activity of the cell, and for reproduction. Our third question is, what kind of diseases occur due to the deficiency of A-based foods? Explain. This is a applied based type of question. The answer will be foods listed as A in the stem are vitamin C rich foods. Aside from these foods, vitamin C is also in other fruits and vegetables such as lemon, mula shak, bitter gourd, etc. Vitamin C makes the cells of skin, bone, teeth become compact and strong. The damaged cells get repaired as well as teeth and gum become strong. Besides, it also has an important role in the metabolism of fat, protein, and amino acids. For some reason, if someone doesn't consume foods in A list or vitamin C, then due to its severe deficiency, scurvy disease occurs. Due to the deficiency, the bones cannot become strong. Skin diseases will occur and it will take time to repair the damaged cell. The deficiency of this food component is the main reason of scurvy disease. Due to this disease, the gum of teeth bleeds. Besides, the gum swells and teeth enamel will decay. As a result, tooth will fall off. Due to the deficiency of this component, the immunity of the body will decreases and it will frequently catch cold. From the above discussion, lack of vitamin C in anyone's food raises the probability of severe health problems. Our fourth question is, between B and C based foods, which is healthy? Analyze. Dear students, this is a higher ability type based of question. The answer will be, in list B, the foods are pulses, potato and cumin. Pulses, potato and cumin are rich in protein, carbohydrate and roughage components. Proteins are essential for the building of body. Protein builds the animal body. Most of the parts of the body are formed by proteins. Bone, muscle, hair, nails, etc. are made by protein. Protein plays the main role in producing new cells. Different functions in animal cells are also controlled by protein. Carbohydrate has an important role in nutrition. Carbohydrate produces energy and heat in body. During respiration, carbohydrate is oxidized and produces energy for metabolism. Roughage helps to digest food. It absorbs water and increases the amount of stool. Roughage helps to dispose the indigested food from the body. It helps to decrease the extra fat of the body. It is thought that roughage food can decrease this gallbladder diseases, cancer of the intestine and colon, piles, appendicitis, heart diseases, heat diseases and obesity. So, protein, carbohydrate and roughage based foods are healthy. On the other hand, foods in list C are burger, chips or fast food or junk food. These foods are very tasty to eat but not good for the health. There are lots of animal fats and sugar in junk food. When we take these fat foods, it turns into fat cells in our body. Eating much sugar can damage our teeth and skin. They also lack vitamins and minerals which are essential for our body. So, it can be certainly said that among the foods in list B and C, pulses, potato, cumin are healthy.
Dear student, this is our second creative question. At first, I will read the stem. Siam's weight is 50 kg. His height is 1.5 meter. He eats 300 gram carbohydrate-rich food every day. His friend Pranto eats food with extra fat. Now I will go on our question. The first one is, what is vitamin? This is a knowledge-based question. First of all, you have to write the definition properly. Then you will get full marks. Second one is, why is it important to have green banana in food menu? Explain. This is a comprehensive based type of question. If you want to get 2 marks, you first of all you have to write what type of mineral are present in green banana. Then you have to explain it. The third one is calculate Siam's BMI. If you want to get full marks, at first you have to write the definition of BMI. Then you have to calculate it. And the fourth one is, between the foods eaten by Siam and Pranto, which food would cause diabetes if eaten in excess amount? Analyze. This is a higher ability type of question. If you want to get full marks, you have to write what is in the stem. If you write this in this way, you will get 1 marks. And then you have to write explanation. Dear student, so let's move to answer on slide.
Dear students, this is our second creative question. The first question is, what is vitamin? This is a knowledge-based question. The answer will be, even if the food contains sufficient amount of carbohydrates and proteins, a special type of food is necessary for the normal growth and nutrition of the body. This food element is called vitamin. Our second question is, why is it important to have green banana in food menu? Explain. This is a comprehension-based type of question. The answer will be, among different foods, mineral salt is really essential for the normal growth and nutrition of animal body. Green banana is a food enriched in mineral iron whose main function is hemoglobin formation. So, it is important to have green banana in food menu for adequate supply of iron in the body. Our third question is, calculate Siam's BMI. Dear students, this is a applied based type of question. First of all, you have to know what is BMI, that is body mass index. You also have to know the equation of BMI, that is body weight is divided by height meter square. According to the information in the stem, Siam's weight is 50 kg and height is 1.5 meter. So, Siam's BMI is, after calculating, 22.22 approximately. So, this is Siam's BMI. Dear student, if this height is in centimeter, you have to convert it into meter. Then calculate the BMI. You have already know that the ideal range of BMI is 18.5 to 24.9. As Siam's BMI is 22.22, so Siam's BMI is ideal range. The fourth question is, between the foods eaten by Siam and Pranto, which food would cause diabetes if eaten in excess amount? Analyze. This is a higher ability based type of question. The answer will be, according to the stem, Siam eats carbohydrate rich food and his friends eats food with excess fat. Between them, food eaten by Siam or carbohydrate rich food can cause diabetes if consumed in excess amount. This is logically analyzed below. Diabetes is a metabolic disease. The normal range of glucose in blood in the human body is 80 to 120 mg. Diabetes occurs when this range increases. This disease causes the amount of glucose in blood to increase permanently. Excessive consumption of carbohydrates-rich foods increases blood sugar. As a result, the chances of getting diabetes increases. On the other hand, Food eaten by pranto or fat-rich food can cause high blood pressure or hypertension if consumed in excess amount because cholesterol present in food accumulates in the blood vessels and contracts them. As a result, the elasticity of the vessels decreases and causes hypertension by becoming rigid. Therefore, food eaten by Siam or carbohydrate rich food can cause diabetes if consumed in excess amount.
Dear student, I hope all of you understand our today's class. That's the end of our today's class. Thanks to all. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz.